Hello, dosto. Welcome to NCRT Reader. So this is the next question that two identical charged particles, each having mass of 10 gram and charge 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb placed on a horizontal table with a separation of L between them such that they stay in limited equilibrium. State in limited equilibrium. So if the coefficient of friction between the each particle and the table is 0.25, find the value of L. So let us suppose that this is the table here it is, and two charged particle I'm considering here. One charged particle is this one and another charged particle is this one. Two identical charged particle means it is having the same charge and it is separated at a distance of L. This is given particles having mass of the charged particles also it will be same only. So this is M, and the charge given here, this charge is 2 into 10 to the power of minus of 7 coulomb. Now it is given to you that they are in limited equilibrium. Limited equilibrium means that what happened that this charge will, there is friction between this sphere and the table here it is. So what happened that this charge, the charges which is given here, if I'll consider this charge repel the other charge with the some force over there, and this charge also repel this other charge. It is with the same force it is because of the, this force I'm considering that electrostatic force here it is. So this is the electrostatic force due to charge nature, that Coulombian force. We know that whenever the two charges are there, the Coulombian force will be there. It is attractive or repulsive depending upon the nature of charge. Now, when this force will come into the picture, what happened that this once it will start moving, there is friction between the surface here and that this charge ball it is. So what happened that once it will get start moving in this direction, there will be a limiting value of friction which I consider FL. So when it will be in limiting equilibrium or limiting limited equilibrium, what it means that the electrostatic force and the frictional force, it will be balancing, both are balancing each other. Then only the charged particle won't move and it will be in limited equilibrium. So this is the condition that you have to apply, that if the charged particle stay in limited equilibrium, in that case when it will be in equilibrium. So for equilibrium attain here, that what happened that electrostatic force will be balanced by the frictional force here, and the frictional force is we know that it is mu times mu is given here, it is 0.25 and the normal value it is mg. So what is the electrostatic force here? We'll be getting that we know that whenever we have the given charges, it is k q square divided by the separation square between them. So it is L square, and this is equal to mu times of mg. What we are looking for is we are looking for calculation of L. So L will be, it is k q square divided by mu times of mg, and it will be inside the root it is. So just we need to put the value of k. So k is in SI unit, it is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Then charge value it is given here, it is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So it is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 and square of it. So this square of it means I am considering this to be outside from the root value. So this is outside the root value. This only in root it is. And then in root we have mu value is given here, it is 0.25, and then mass of the charged particle it is given here, mass of the charged particle is given 10 gram. So that 10 gram we have to convert it into kg. So it is 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. So these are the terms which are inside the root it is, and this term is outside the root. So once you simplify it, we'll get that final result here, it will be 12 centimeter. So this is the result, what that L will be 12 centimeter. Here we have the option. In this case we don't have any option here. So what to find the value of L, it will be 12. Once you calculate it, you will be getting that 12 centimeter. So this is the result. I hope you understand. So only two forces were acting once the friction is there and the electrostatic force. And if it is in limiting equilibrium, only possible that both force will balance each other and then only it will be in equilibrium. I hope you understand this one. Thank you.